Weather update as of October 6, 2023 9 a.m. Subject, 97W system threatens Visayas and Luzon. 97W system spotted at Yap, Guam area, sa labas ng Philippine Area of Responsibility, gumagalaw ng west to west-southwest, sa bilis na 10 to 15 km per hour. Sa initial 5 days trajectory, ang 97W system inaasahan na papasok ng Philippine Area of Responsibility sa October 8. At magtra-track ito ng west to west-northwest patungo ng Eastern Visayas at Bicol Region. Ito ay magpapaulan sa Visayas, Mindanao, at sa ilang lugar ng Bicol Region, simula October 9, at posibleng magiging tropical depression o tropical storm habang nasa Philippine Sea o bago tatama o tatawid ng Luzon sa October 11. Typhoon Koino, Jenny, spotted near 21.5 north, 118.3 east, with 125 up to 160 km per hour wind speed, at gumagalaw generally westward, sa bilis na 5 to 10 km per hour, patungo sa Hainan area. May mga cyclogenesis, o maliit na sirkulasyon, sa South China Sea, West Philippine Sea, at Pacific Ocean, Philippine Sea, na posible magiging potential na storm system, o bagyo, na patuloy binabantayan, o mino-monitor.
Disclaimer bilang independent weather forecasting page, gamitin lamang ito bilang reference page. Donate any amount at GCash number 0945-322-4311 to improve our forecasting in the near future. Stay safe. Like, share, follow.